Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive hereby data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
I can speak and understand English, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
Nothing, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I am healthy and no issue.
Okay, so if you feel unwell, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel. But at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
I want also to work in another country like in Malaysia because I want to have a more experience.
Okay, so can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Okay, ma'am. My name is Gina Natividad Season and I'm 21 years old. And I have experience in Singapore before with an Indian family. And I'm taking care of 1-year-old boy. And also, I'm doing the tasks in household cleaning, car washing. Also, I'm care of one pet, Singapore mom.
Okay, I need to know some few more details from you first, okay? So, are you single or married?
I'm single mom.
Do you have children?
Don't have mom.
When is your birthday?
October 15, 1983.
What is your height and your weight?
My weight mom is 45 and my height is like 5.
5 flat. Okay, so what is your religion?
I'm Catholic mom.
What about your educational background?
I am a high school graduate mom.
High school graduate. So you mentioned that you got working experience in what country?
Singapore mom and Dubai also mom.
Singapore and
Dubai.
Dubai. So how many years you work in Singapore?
2 years mom.
2 years. What year did you started and what year did you finish your contract?
I started 2014 and I'm finished with 2016 mom.
So you do the house chores, cooking, laundry, ironing, car washing, and you take care of a 1-year-old child, is it? Okay. So what happened? Why you didn't continue working with your employer in Singapore?
Because my employer before mom is they were going to need to go back in their country, so that's why I need also to go back to my country also because I finished my contract.
Okay. So after that, you work in Dubai. How many years you work in Dubai?
In Dubai mom, I work like a cleaning company also in Vita Diamante before, and because mom in Abu Dhabi I got also tourists but I cannot.
So you are a cleaners in a company, is it? How many years you
two
work
years
as a cleaner? 2 years. What year did you started and what year did you finish working?
2019, 2017 to 2019 ma'am.
Okay. So after 2017 to 2019, you have a working experience in Philippines.
Yes ma'am.
What is your job in the Philippines after 2019?
I also have a job before mom in like my family relatives also taking care of my grand like side grandfather mom.
Grandfather. So how many years you work there to your relative?
1 year and almost 1 year mom.
What year and what month?
2020 to 2023 like that mom.
2022?
2020 to 2020.
2020 to 2020. So almost 1 year. What month?
October to like October mom. I started October.
October and
Until
ended
December.
December. You mean October 2020 to December 2021?
Yes ma'am.
So you worked there for 1 year na?
Almost 1 year ma'am. December December I finished it.
Yeah, so it's 1 year because you work October, ma.
Yes,
So you take care an elderly. How old is the elderly that you take care?
63, ma'am.
63 years old. Female or male?
Male, ma'am.
Male. So while taking care of this male, you do house chores also?
Yes, ma'am. Cooking.
Or, so are you a stay-in maid there?
I'm stay there, ma'am.
So you do the house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing also?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so after 2021, do you have any working experience?
Not.
So you stay only inside your house lah?
I'm taking care of my niece.
Okay, so being an OFW is not new for you, most especially that you have a working experience in Singapore and Dubai, okay? So you need to be flexible, you need to be multitasking. But I would like to let you know the reality of working here in Malaysia. Employers here is very particular when it comes of cleanliness, and houses here is quite big. So you need to get ready yourself because you might experience some things that you didn't experience in Singapore or in Dubai, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Of course, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Okay, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am. I love animals.
Okay, so what variety of cuisine you can cook?
Um, like Arabic food.
You can cook Chinese foods?
Yes, ma'am. I will.
Okay, so you are willing to learn some new recipes, right? Okay, so you were going to sign a 2 years contract, same like what you did in Singapore or Hong Kong. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Terminating of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency, as nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Usage of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone during working time, or you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours, yeah? But you can hold it during nighttime only, after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with the rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure? We don't force people to come here. It's either you agree or you disagree. If you agree, then fine, you can come, work properly. But if you disagree, it's fine also. You can stay in the Philippines or maybe find job opportunities into other countries, yeah? In Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer, and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems or any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
How do you fight your homesickness?
I keep myself busy, ma'am.
You keep yourself busy. Okay, so always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad. You wanted to sustain your family's needs. You wanted to give them a better future. And you wanted a better future for yourself also at the same time. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Okay,
Thank
ma'am.
you so much and have a good day.